Welcome to our factory production video. Today, we take you inside a modern industrial facility to explore how large plastic water storage tanks are manufactured with precision and efficiency. The journey begins with raw plastic granules. These small pellets are the basic material used to create the tanks. They are carefully measured to ensure the correct quantity and quality for production. Accuracy at this stage is very important because it directly affects the strength and durability of the final product. Next, special color pigments, most commonly blue, are added to the plastic material. This is not just for appearance. The blue color plays an important role in protecting the stored water from harmful sunlight, reducing algae growth and maintaining water quality. After mixing, the plastic granules are transferred into a high-temperature heating chamber. Inside this machine, the plastic is gradually melted into a thick liquid form. The temperature is precisely controlled to ensure uniform melting without damaging the material. Once the plastic reaches the desired consistency, it is carefully poured into a large hollow metal mold. This mold is designed in the exact shape and size of the final water tank. Now begins one of the most important steps, rotational molding. The mold is placed inside a rotational molding machine, which slowly rotates along multiple axes while being heated. As the mold spins, the melted plastic spreads evenly across the inner walls. This continuous rotation ensures uniform thickness throughout the tank, making it strong and durable without weak points. After the plastic has fully coated the interior of the mold, the heating process stops and the cooling stage begins. Cooling is done using a combination of air and water sprays. This step gradually reduces the temperature, allowing the plastic to solidify while maintaining its shape. Controlled cooling is essential to prevent cracks or deformation. Once the tank has completely cooled and hardened, the mold is opened. Workers carefully remove the newly formed plastic tank. At this stage, the tank is structurally complete but still requires finishing. Workers trim off any excess plastic from the edges and smooth the surface to give it a clean and polished look. This improves both appearance and safety. Next, precise holes are drilled into the tank for outlet and inlet pipe fittings. These openings are essential for connecting the tank to plumbing systems. After drilling, workers install outlet connections and fittings securely, ensuring they are leak-proof and properly aligned. Now comes quality inspection. Each tank undergoes a thorough check to ensure it meets industry standards. Workers inspect the surface for defects and examine the structure for strength and consistency. To test for leaks, the tank is filled with water and monitored carefully. This ensures that the tank can safely store water without any leakage. Only tanks that pass this strict testing process move forward. In the final stage, workers clean the tank thoroughly and attach a strong lid to the top. This lid helps keep the stored water safe from dust and contamination. The finished tanks are then transported to the storage area using large forklifts. Workers wrap them in protective coverings to prevent scratches or damage during handling and transportation. Finally, the tanks are loaded onto trucks and shipped to markets, construction sites, farms, and homes. These water storage tanks play a vital role in daily life, providing safe and reliable water storage solutions. Thanks to modern manufacturing technology, factories are able to produce tanks that are strong, durable, and long-lasting. And that is how large plastic water storage tanks are manufactured in modern industrial factories.